kids. How are you? Hello.
Good.
Today, we all learn about some vegetables together.
Potato. Potato. This is potato. 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 This is potato.
Tomato. Tomato. This is tomato. 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 This is tomato. Broccoli. Broccoli. This is broccoli. 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 This is broccoli.
Okra. Okra. This is okra. 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 This is okra.
Carrot. Carrot. This is carrot. 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 This is carrot.
Eggplant. Eggplant. This is eggplant. 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 This is eggplant.
Chili. This is chili. Chili. This is chili. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Turnip. This is turnip. Turnip. This is turnip.